Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look using some products from Juvia's place. I will be using one of their newest palettes, the Warrior palette, for my eyeshadow, and a couple of other things from their line that I really like. Quick, before I make this intro too long, I know you guys are going to ask about my hair. This was actually a style that I did on Instagram. I did this actually with a live that I collabed with Much to Love, so I did it on their channel or on their page, but I will be doing more live tutorials as well on here and on my Instagram. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, definitely go follow me there. Lastly, my earrings. I get questions about my earrings all the time, and they're coming, guys. They're coming. I'm setting up my store, my online shop and everything, so those will be out soon, hopefully sometime in 2018. I don't want to give a date yet because last year I gave a date and that date didn't happen. So for now, I'm just going to say it's coming soon. So definitely stay tuned. Follow me on all my social media. Stay up to date on everything that I'm doing offline and online. So thank you so much for stopping in and checking out my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Heart, guys. And, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. So I'm just jumping right into the tutorial. So the first color that I'm going to be using from the Warrior palette, it's called Kano, and I'm just using that as my transition color. I love this shade as my transition. Next, I'm going to go in very lightly with Mino, which is like that deep, really deep, almost black brown color, and I'm just going to go that and define my crease a little bit more and build that up and blend it out. And then I'm just going to go back in again with Kano and blend all the harsh edges out. This tutorial is super easy, super beginner friendly. Next I'm going to go in, which I believe this is Ahosi. It's that matte beige color, and I'm just going to apply that to my brown bone. Next I went in with Mormi, and then Amina as well. Oh no, I'm sorry. Mormi and Ida. I don't know, guys. Top row, second one. So I'm going in with that shade in the inner tear duct, and I'm also going in with their gel liner, which I absolutely love, and I forgot that I had for a while. And then I was looking through my drawer and I found it. So I went in with this gel liner to do my wing. So I applied my complexion products off camera just because it's the same foundation routine that I usually do. If you guys want me to do an updated foundation routine, let me know and I will do that for you guys. But now I'm going to start working on my lips, and I'm going to apply the ColourPop Lippy Pencil. I believe this shade is in Pitch. If not, I will link it down below, but I believe it's called Pitch. It's one of their brown shades that I love so much because it's super creamy. With this matte liquid lipstick from Juvia's place. This one is called Soil, and it is a super pretty, beautiful matte. Like when I was applying it right here, I was like, no baby, no. But once it dried down, honey, it was super pretty, and it went so well, like with my complexion. I loved it. I was just doing too, like I wasn't feeling it when I first put it on. I don't know if you guys can tell by my face, but I was not feeling it. But once it dried down to a matte, and this matte was really, really nice. It was actually pretty comfortable for me, but I'm not too picky when it comes to dryness on matte liquid lipsticks because I expect them to be dry. So I'm just gonna go in, perfect my lips. look, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I had so much fun recording it, and if you guys want to stay up on my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and on Snapchat, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.